Let's see, we've got Razzak Р.Бейшекеев of Kyrgyzstan. He's up against Kиотаро Sogabeni, Japan.
Right, head up. Blue action, no block. Head up, blue. Right action. Blue action. Blue action.
Shoulder throw attempt from Р.Бейшекеев, great work. 4 points, you can see only needed a little bit of room, and once he got it, huge 4 points, and it looks like he's gonna work for the pinfall here. Sogabeni fighting not to give it. It's difficult when you're on your back like this. Р.Бейшекеев with a huge lift and a huge 4 points again. That's going to be it, 8-0, the 21-year-old. Р.Бейшекеев, under 23 world champion from 2024. Senior Asian champion this year and ranking series gold. And what a performance from the man from Kyrgyzstan, just at 21 years old, 2 big